Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how to convert YouTube videos into engaging blog posts. First, I'll show you some free methods, and later in the video, I'll introduce a much easier solution that you can try for free. Stick around to find out more about that. Let's get started. The first method we'll cover involves using ChatGPT with the Vox Script plugin. To get started, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus account. Once you're logged in, go to the plugin settings and activate the Vox Script plugin. This plugin enables ChatGPT to process and analyze YouTube videos. Next, find the YouTube video you want to convert into a blog post. Copy the URL of the video and paste it into ChatGPT. Along with the URL, type a detailed prompt. For example, you can write something like, "Read and extract the main information from this YouTube video. Write an engaging and in-depth blog post in Markdown format. Include structured sections, lists, and tables where appropriate." This level of detail helps ensure that the output is well organized and informative. Once you run the prompt, the Vox Script plugin will begin processing the video. It works by reading the video's transcript in smaller chunks and converting the content into a blog post. You'll notice that the AI fetches information bit by bit, analyzing each section of the transcript and structuring it into paragraphs. The output is usually quite detailed and accurately reflects the key points of the video. For example, if the video discusses strategies for improving website authority, the blog post might include a breakdown of techniques like backlinking, guest posting, and content optimization. While this method is free aside from the ChatGPT Plus subscription, it does require a bit of effort to set up and review the results. However, it's a great way to generate content at no additional cost. The second method is even simpler and relies on directly copying the transcript of a YouTube video. Many YouTube videos have a transcript feature enabled. To access it, click on the three dots below the video and select Show Transcript. You can also use plugins like Glass to generate a summary or download the full transcript. Once you have the transcript, the next step is to process it into a blog post. Head over to OpenAI's Playground and paste the transcript into the input box. You'll need to provide a specific prompt such as, "Analyze this transcript and create a detailed blog post outline." Then, using that outline, write an engaging and structured blog post. Include lists, examples, and headings. When working with OpenAI, consider the model you're using. GPT-4 can handle longer transcripts and produce more detailed outputs, but GPT 3.5 is a more affordable option if your content is shorter. For long transcripts, you may need to split the text into smaller sections and process them one at a time. This method provides a lot of flexibility and control over the final output, but it can be time-consuming. Now, as promised, let's look at a much easier solution using Blogify. Blogify is an AI-powered tool designed specifically for converting YouTube videos into blog posts effortlessly. You can create a free Blogify account by clicking the link in the description below. Begin by clicking the link provided in the video description to visit Blogify's official website. Once you're on the homepage, look for an option to sign up or start a free trial. This will usually be clearly visible as a button or banner. Click on it to initiate the registration process. You will need to fill in some basic details such as your name and email address to create an account. Alternatively, you might have the option to log in using your Google account for added convenience. After completing the required fields, check your email inbox for a verification message from Blogify. Open the email and click the provided link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Blogify website and log in using your credentials. This will grant you access to your personal dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to prepare the YouTube video that you want to convert into a blog post. Open YouTube in a new browser tab and search for the video you have in mind. Once you've found the video, play it briefly to confirm it's the correct one. Make sure to only do this with your own YouTube videos to avoid copyright issues. Then, copy the video's URL directly from the address bar of your browser. Make sure the link is accurate, as this will be the input for Blogify's AI. Now, switch back to Blogify and look for an option to create a new blog post. This is typically located in your dashboard and should be easy to spot. Click on the option and you'll see a field where you can paste the video link. Paste the URL. After doing so, click the Submit or Convert button to initiate the process. The AI will begin analyzing the video content, extracting key points, and transforming them into text. The duration of this process depends on the length and complexity of the video, so be patient while the tool works. Once Blogify has finished processing the video, it will generate a draft version of your blog post. This draft will include a summary of the video's main points, formatted into readable text. Carefully review the draft to ensure that it captures the essential details and accurately reflects the content of the video. If you notice areas that need improvement, you can edit the draft directly within Blogify's built-in text editor. This is also an excellent opportunity to personalize the post by refining the introduction, adding your unique voice, or including any additional context that might enhance the content. In addition to editing the text, Blogify provides formatting tools to help you enhance the visual appeal of your blog post. Use these tools to add headings, bullet points, numbered lists, or images to make the post more engaging for your readers. Take the time to adjust the layout and presentation until you're satisfied with the final result. Once all your edits are complete, save your changes to ensure your work is preserved. When your blog post is ready for publishing, you have several options. You can download the content as a text file or copy it to your clipboard for easy pasting into your blog platform. If Blogify supports direct integration with your blog platform, follow the on-screen instructions to link your account and publish the post directly from Blogify. This feature can save time and streamline the entire process. So, to recap, you can use ChatGPT with the VoxScript plugin or directly work with YouTube transcripts in OpenAI's Playground for free, but these methods require manual steps. Alternatively, Blogify offers a streamlined, all-in-one solution that simplifies the process significantly. If you're ready to try Blogify, the link to create your free account is in the description below.